scholars. So today we are going to study the last topic of chapter 12, time. So children, have you all enjoyed this chapter? The time chapter is very simple because you all are watching the time every day while playing, while studying. Okay, so every time you are watching your watch or clock, whatever you are having. Okay, so children, this time chapter is very simple, and today we are going to study the last topic of this chapter, time. Now children, here in this topic, it is related to before and after. Whenever before term is there in the question, what we have to do, and when after term is there in the question, what we need to do. So this is very simple topic, children. So let's begin with this before and after part of time. Okay, so let's begin. So children, let's begin with the last topic of chapter 12, time. Now the topic is telling the time before and after. Now children, here you have to keep in mind that whenever there is before, that means you have to do subtraction over there, and whenever there is after in the question, that means you have to do addition. Okay, so after reading the question, children, you have to understand whether it is before or after. Okay, so see here the question is, Meena slept for 2 hours and woke up at 5 p.m. Now what Meena did, children? She slept for 2 hours and woke up at 5 p.m. Now when she woke up at 5 p.m., that means she slept before 2 hours. Yes, children? So what we have to do here, children? We have to do subtraction. Okay? So at what time did she sleep? So children, here what we will do? Out of 5 p.m. we have to subtract 2 hours. Okay, so 5 p.m. minus 2 hours. So what will be the time, children? 3. Okay, so 3 p.m. will be the time. So Meena slept at 3 p.m. Understood, children? Like this you have to read the question and you have to understand whether it is before or after. Let's see another example, children, here. Example number 2. Raman left home at 7:15 in the morning for a walk. So at what time Raman left home? At 7:15 in the morning. Okay. So he came back after 1 hour. Now it is directly given in the question after. Okay, so when you are seeing this word after, what you have to do, children? You have to do addition over here. Okay, so what was the time when he came back? So children, after means you have to do addition. So 7:15 plus 1. Okay, because he came back after 1 hour. So 1 you will add over here. So what will be the time, children? 8:15. Hence, Raman came back home at 8:15 in the morning. Understood, children? Like this you have to do. It is very simple, children. But only the thing is that you have to read the question properly and you have to understand what is asked or what is given before or after. Okay, children? See here another example now. Example number 3. Hina returned from music class at 12 noon. Now At what time she returned, children? At 12 noon. She went for the class 4 hours ago. 4 hours ago means 4 hours before. Okay. So, at what time did she go for her class? Now, before is there, ago is there. So, what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. Okay. So, 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8. So, at 8 o'clock, she go for her classes. Okay. She went for her classes. So, Hina went for her music class at 8 in the morning. Understood, children? So, this before and after words you have to be very careful while solving this type of sums. Okay, children? So, these sums are actually very simple. Only you have to read the question properly. Understood, children? So, this was the last topic of this chapter. Okay, and this chapter is very simple. Only you need to practice it well. Understood, children? So, we will meet again in next class, next session. So, till then, goodbye, children.